Seguridad es la clave. Puede ayudarle a ahorrar tiempo y reducir daños que puedan afectar el trabajo por largo tiempo.
But nothing wastes more time than an injury. Prevention is the best way to minimize the risk of being injured.
Muchos accidentes se pueden prevenir si se identifican los potenciales peligros.
Always protect yourself. Wear clothing and safety equipment appropriate for the job.
Use el equipo de
Say it again.
protección personal.
Always protect yourself. Wear clothing and safety equipment appropriate for the job you are performing, and when in doubt, err on the side of safety and common sense. No one ever lost an eye because they are wearing too much safety equipment. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, might include
safety glasses,
hearing protection,
boots,
vest,
and long pants.
and gloves.
Safety vest if we're working along streets or parking lots.
Some ankle support to make sure that you're not going to twist your ankle.
Las precauciones de seguridad están ahí para ti.
of being injured. It might feel like overkill to you, but the guidelines and regulations have your best interests in mind. So do it. Is the area secured? If hazards such as holes, trenches, falling limbs are present in your work area, set up barricades. to keep
Marcar
people
las
away from
zonas
dangerous
peligrosas.
areas. In addition, always mark your utility lines before digging or trenching. No amount of personal protective equipment will save you from electrocution. Working with chemicals or other hazardous materials.
Use precaución adicional cuando use productos químicos.
Generally, the bag or container has
Usted
specific
puede
instructions
necesitar
for proper use,
capacitación
safety
adicional.
protection, and what to do if you are accidentally exposed. And it might mean that you wear additional protective gear, such as a respirator. If there's any doubt, consult your manual or reach out to
Obtener
someone who has
la
more
capacitación
experience.
adecuada
States require
antes de
training
tener que
and
utilizar una herramienta en el trabajo.
State and federal regulations are on your side to protect you. The job site is not a place to use a tool or piece of equipment for the first time. Get the appropriate training and instruction before you get on the job. It just makes sense. And finally, check your tools before using them to make sure they are working properly. By far the most common injury on the
Siempre
job
aplicar
site
las
is
técnicas
being strained
adecuadas
from
para
above.
levantar objetos.
Lifting, vibration from the equipment, repetitive motion, and noise. 8 hours of landscape work can take a toll. Be aware of the cumulative risk of these activities: blowing out knees, partial deafness, and back problems. Be sure to use the best ergonomic practices for all these activities. There's a lot of external training information. to help
Familiarizarse con
minimize
los primeros
impact.
auxilios básicos.
Finally, know what to do when something goes wrong. No one expects you to be an EMT, but be familiar with basic first aid. It's just like wearing a seatbelt. We hope you'll never need it, but when you do, you'll be glad you're prepared. Like a good Boy Scout, always be prepared. Safety is a mindset. Injuries will always happen, but the likelihood of someone getting injured on your crew can be greatly reduced by following these simple steps.